When you're in a wreck, how do you know whose fault it is?
Who decides that?
Who decides that, and how do you know? There are laws, and the law basically, if someone is at fault, the legal term there is they're negligent. And all that really means is there is a standard of care that drivers should uphold when driving down the roadway. And if they do not uphold that standard of care, then they are deemed at fault or negligent. And there are actually laws known as rules of the road that are laws in the state of Alabama, and there are many of them that pertain to different situations that can tell you by statute, by law, who is at fault. But if you're in a situation like that and you're wanting to know the answer, call an attorney who practices in the personal injury area. They should be able to tell you, or will be able to tell you, the answer to that question.
If you're breaking a traffic law and you have an accident, that's not good for you. If you're speeding, if you're changing lanes improperly, U-turns, those kinds of illegal acts, you're probably going to have a problem, and it's probably going to be your fault.
Right, and you can be speeding, not wearing a seatbelt, all kinds of improperly changing lanes, like you mentioned, and you may be at fault. But the next level is that whatever was done wrong must cause the injuries.
Right.
So there's two different things there, and that's something an attorney can take a wreck report that we talked about earlier. Take that, take maybe witness statements, other facts, and be able to tell someone who's at fault and then what the next steps are.
Very good.